Today we'll be diving into the world of ClickUp's AI feature, and I promise you it is going to be an AI-powered productivity adventure. We'll explore how this incredible tool can help you generate action items, turn walls of text into bite-sized summaries, and even create custom templates and SOPs for every aspect of your business. So buckle up and join me as we supercharge our project management with the power of ClickUp AI. You won't want to miss this. Now that we started with a couple of videos about AI in general and content creation, if you haven't done so yet, I will have the links for you in the end. You do not want to miss this video. Today I want to dive with you into how we can use ClickUp's AI features to help us with project management. How can we make our life easier, not just for content creation? You've seen how you can use ClickUp AI in general right here in ClickUp. So let's dive into how we specifically can use it to make our life easier when managing projects. And let's start right in the beginning. You already have seen this, how we use this actually for content creation. You have seen the script before here. I'm using this as a placeholder for example, a client call or a meeting with your team or whatever it is. Grab that transcription, if that is Fathom or whatever you have, and plug it right in here, copy and paste it right into your Google Docs, and then go find the generate action items. And with these generate action items, ClickUp's AI is going to go through this transcript and grab all of the action items out of it. Now you don't need to tell your assistants, go make sure you plug all of this in. And here is your first pro tip. Once we have this inserted into this document, grab that and turn it into a task. Plug it into the right list, assign it to somebody, set a due date, and now not only do you have action items from your meeting notes, no, you assigned them and set a due date, and people actually know what they are supposed to be doing after this call. How easy is that? Now let's keep playing on this idea of this is a meeting transcript. You might be working in an agency, in a bigger company, you have multiple stakeholders that might not have joined this call. We can easily go right in here and summarize this. Now you've seen this before. We don't have to just use this summarize this, which let's just insert that right now. We also have the summarize on the top of your document. Now this summarize of this call transcript can easily be used for project updates, for forwarding to your executives, for your mentors, for any kind of stakeholders that might not have been able to join this meeting. Now, before I dive into even more of the magic and when this becomes really exciting on how we can use ClickUp AI for our project management, I want to know from you. Let me know in the comment section, what are your favorite ways of using ClickUp AI as project management right in your ClickUp? Where would you want to see this feature, and how would you want ClickUp AI to interact with your tasks, with your checklists, with whatever? What is your dream? What do you want ClickUp AI to do for your project management? And with that, let's dive really deep into that project management aspect. We have a nice empty slate right here. And as you can see, if you watched the past videos of mine, we already have upgrades again to ClickUp AI, where we have predetermined action items in here. Look at that. Yes, ClickUp AI now allows us to generate standard operating procedures. So let's play with this. Which department is this? And even if you do not have departments in your company, act as if you do. So let's say we are talking about the marketing department, right? What do we want to do? Let's say we want to have YouTube content creation. Awesome. What do we want to do with this. Let's just do a step-by-step SOP. Talking points, YouTube content creation. Let's keep it simple. Let's challenge ClickUp AI a little bit. So we have pre-production, and Evie cannot spell today. We have pre-production, we have production, and then we have post-production. Look at nearly. And this is why I like me some AI, because it's not typing as crazy as I do. And with this, now it easily starts already plopping in our step-by-step for our YouTube content creation. What's the objective of your video? And identify your target audience, because if you're not speaking to one person, you're not speaking to any person. Develop the script with the production, then your equipment, which often enough is already set up. Post-production, review and select best footage. It's done pretty good. Now you have a rough start to your SOP. You grab that, you plug that into our SOP template you can find right here in this video, and clean this up. There you go. Look at it, how easy it is now to get started with your SOPs. No more excuses for you not having standard operating procedures anymore. Secondary, look at this. It's not just SOPs. We actually can create any kind of template in here. So let's just do a customer support template. Default voice, just go with it. Ta-da! Dear customer, thank you for reaching out. To better assist you, what do we need? What software? Standard question. Even though we tell customer support they have to ask these questions, it's the same. Screenshot or video. You can now grab this information, all of the stuff that ClickUp AI threw at you that you should ask for a customer support email, into a ClickUp form and let them fill it in as your customer support ticketing system. Yes, that's possible, and yes, you can find that video on my channel too. Let's just, for the fun of it, do one more of meeting notes, and let's have some fun with this. Let's make this humorous. How about that? And generate this. So now we have nice little intro. Are you tired of boring, unproductive meetings? Who is not? Just send me a damn email. Your meeting details, perfect. People need to know when to show up. What is the agenda? Who attended? Additional notes, conclusion. Now, I probably would try this again and actually have ClickUp AI also add some action items to it or follow up. Again, it is a perfect start for you to start building your standard operating procedures, for you to build these frameworks that you can work off of. And it took us how long? 5 seconds for ClickUp AI to spit something at us, rather than sitting there and thinking like, do I need to do this? Do I need to do that? What else is it? What do I need to do? It gives us the perfect starting point. Last but not least, look at this right down here. Ideate potential solutions. So what is our problem? And here I want to bring it up with the SOAR framework. I've been preaching this. We need to future-proof our business. This right here is perfect for you to play with this idea of, what if I suddenly have double the amount of clients, half the team, what would break? Okay, what is the problem? My clientele doubled. Context. Scaling my business and can't handle the work. What constraints do we have? Limiting team availability. Let's see what it spits out. Honestly, I haven't run this yet, so let's see what it does. And it does. Hire more staff. That's an easy one. Maybe automate before you hire new staff. Outsourcing, so you better have your standard operating procedures and all of that ready to go, because you don't need to outsource if you can't tell them what to do. There's our automating processes. Prioritizing tasks. How much time do you spend on stuff that doesn't actually matter? and increasing prices. Those are quite some standard solutions that usually come up when we are talking about scaling your business. So not a bad thing to really start that ideation process of future-proofing your business, but also really just ideate other different potential solutions for potential issues. Now, I don't want you to stop here. Learn how to use ClickUp's AI feature to revolutionize your content creation. Or if you've seen this video already, I have a whole ClickUp AI playlist for you with all of the ways you can put ClickUp AI to work. So better subscribe now because you don't want to miss out my future video releases.